Hey, what's up guys? KurtzerTech here with a quick unboxing. Today I have the Canon PowerShot S120 digital camera. Here's a couple of the features. You have the new Digic 6 processor, a 12.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, comes with a 24mm lens, wide-angle lens, 5x zoom, and a 3-inch touchscreen display on the back. Also, it has the HS system, the full HD 1080, image stabilization, and Wi-Fi. Here, a quick look at the box. You have a picture of the camera right there, PowerShot S120. Got the black one, some more information. There's a picture of the back of the camera with the beautiful 3-inch display. And then just some more information about compatibility with the different computers on the back. So let's get right in the unboxing. Did pick this up from Best Buy. Suggested retail is $449 on Canon's website. You can find this on Amazon as well as Best Buy for around $400. Picked this up to replace my Canon ELPH 110HS, which I've been doing a lot of my YouTube videos with. It's been an awesome little camera, especially with video quality. I decided to upgrade. This has some new features. It also has 1080p 60 frames a second, as well as some more manual control raw images and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get right into it. Just pops open. Like most Canon products, you're greeted with the Canon limited warranty card. Some more documentation. The user manual, getting started. Looks like you have the battery pack in this light gray color. Battery charger. And right next to that you have the battery itself. This model is the NB6LH. Kind of a small battery, so I'm interested on what the battery life is going to be like. I may have to pick up a spare battery as well. Underneath all of that, it looks like they include a wrist strap. And then in this soft pouch, you have the camera itself. Clean looking camera. Feels nice. Nice build quality. You have that focus ring around the lens, Canon, some Wi-Fi branding. Got the model number S120. Here you can see you can now manually open up the flash by flipping down on that button, just pushing down on the flash. You have that nice 3-inch screen right there, all touch screen. You also have some physical buttons though on the side. You have the function button, quick movie button. You have your scroll wheel with function and some other features inside there. Play button as well as the menu button. You have a thumb grip right there. On this side it looks like you have the audio video out as well as HDMI out. Then on top you have your mode dial, shutter button, zoom switch, as well as the on-off. You got stereo mic, and that's about it. You also have a tripod mount on the bottom, battery, SD card slot. Here's describing some of the features of the new camera. So just wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing of this digital camera. This is the first camera PowerShot in this series I've owned. I didn't own the previous S110 or S100, even the S95, but I've heard those have been great cameras. It is one of the more popular point and shoot cameras in Canon's PowerShot line, so excited to give this a try it out with my YouTube videos, my sneaker videos, and just see how it performs overall as a point and shoot camera when I don't want to lug my DSLR. Here's the previous camera I was using, about the same size, the F110. Build quality seems nicer on this though. Definitely for the price it should be. And then if you compare it to 70D, that's what we're looking like on size. So let me know your thoughts on this camera. Let me know if you've owned the previous ones, how you like it, the features you like, the features you don't like. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if this is a camera you would pick up. Stay tuned, I will be testing this out, doing some sample video, some sample photos. I'll post a video up. If I get the battery charged in time, my next sneaker video might be filmed on this. If not, it may still be on my F110, but definitely keep a lookout. See how the quality is on my future videos. Let me know if it's improved. I like this finish on top. It's a nice touch. Kind of like a two-tone on top. It's more glossy. And then you have some texture on the grip right here. So that has been the Canon S120 quick unboxing. If you like this video, please thumbs up, favorite, subscribe, much appreciated. Stay tuned for more videos. This has been KurtzerTech. Until next time, peace.